Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shellie Geigle with J&S Hobbies and Crafts, and today's What's New video is on the new Stamperia Songs of the Sea paper pack. And this is 12 by 12 and I've got it here at my store, and I saw the swatches of this before I ordered it. I think you guys will agree that this is an excellent paper pack and it's going to be super fun to work with. So I'm going to bring this up and you can kind of take a look. Let's get into it. When we open up, we have a lot of sentiments over here and some really cool shapes and cut aparts around that. And we have some border trim down here. Over here we have the mermaid and the ship who's at sea, and this is absolutely gorgeous. Next page, excellent background page. Here's our next. The treasure chest. We've got gears. Got the mermaid and the old ship. Mermaid song. Ooh, I love this. I can't wait. And I do have a project lined up that I'll be working on, and I'm going to use this. Background sheet. We got the panels. Looks like we have two larger ones, and then they gave us some smaller ones here. And here's the back. The jellyfish has gears on it. I just noticed that. I'm going to bring this up. I know it's kind of hard to see when I do these sometimes, but check them out. That is really cool. We have an anchor, jellyfish, seahorse, a lot of good stuff, some more gears. We have the old ship. We have some trim down here and rope. Beautiful background. Okay, so far, I think that this is one of my favorite pages. I love it. This is inside the ship. We've got a picture of the mermaids here. We have a lantern. It has gears. It looks like a journal down here. Bottles. Seashells on it. This is excellent. I love it. In the back. Under the water, under the ship. Got some coins in here. The mermaid skin, the scales. This is really unique. I have been so pleased with what Stamperia has been coming out with. I just love it. It's unique, it's interesting, and totally fun to play with in your craft room. And they're giving us quite a few tags here. And the colors are breathtaking. Got some gears down in here. And then our cut apart sheet. And I'm going to bring this a little closer so you can see a little better. We've got excellent cut apart sheets. So that is what's new at my store. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this paper pack. There's a link under the video to my store if you'd like to get one. Happy crafting, and I'll see you real soon on my next project. Thanks for visiting.